Hello, Innovation Hour. I hope you guys are all doing well. This is our third screencast for our third week of virtual learning. Just some quick reminders before I get into your assignment for this week. Remember, I am on Zoom every single Monday through Friday from 12 to 12:30, and there was a slight change. Zoom is now requiring a password, and that actually began this past Tuesday. So I set our password as Panthers. That was the recommended one across the district for us to use for all of our meetings. So it should be consistent for most of your teachers. But anyway, please type in Panthers for your password. Like I said, it will be there. Actually, this week it's Tuesday through Friday from 12 to 12:30 every day. If you guys have any questions or if you just want to stop in and talk, remember you get attendance credit for appearing live in the Zooms. You also get attendance credit for emailing me any questions or any comments or thoughts that you may be having. And you also get your attendance credit for submitting your weekly blogs. So you have 3 different ways that you can obtain those attendance credit that you need. Another quick reminder that I wanted to let you guys know about is that this announcement here from April 6th, I will accept project revisions to improve your third quarter grades. So, and those are the larger projects. I'm not going to go back on the smaller weekly blogs, but if you want to revise your project pitch or your annotated bibliography, you may do so to improve your third quarter grade, and that will also improve your second semester grade as well. If you do that, please send me an email letting me know that you did it. That way I know to grade it. Otherwise, I won't know you did it, and I won't know to grade it. Let me know if you guys have any questions about those things. This week, we're just continuing your 30-day challenge. So really, your blog questions are the same. They are due this Friday, April 17th by 2 p.m. in your Google site. They are the exact same questions from last week. Guys, please use complete sentences and please be specific in your responses. Don't just give me yes or no's. And I like to go back, briefly explain your 30-day challenge. Just reorient yourself. What am I trying to accomplish with this goal by the end of the 30 days? What progress did you make this week towards your goal? So how did you progress from last week, moving forward yet this week again? How are you holding yourself accountable for accomplishing this goal? Do you have somebody helping you? Are you writing things down? Are you keeping a journal? How are you actually holding yourself accountable for doing these things? And what do you plan to do next week to work toward accomplishing your goal? So what are your plans for improving or pushing yourself a little bit further for next week? And then include a picture of yourself or a graphic of some sort that represents your accomplishment for the week. And please remember your graphics should be different. So these blog questions will be consistent at least for the next couple weeks because you're working through your 30-day challenge. By the end of week 4, because right now we are only in week 2 of your challenge, by the end of week 4, I'll change the questions up and have you reflect on the whole process. But at least these questions will be consistent for this week and one more week. So, guys, this is pretty much it for the week. Make sure you get your blog in there by Friday, April 17th. If you make up any missing work, please send me an email. Let me know. I hope you guys are doing well. I miss you, and I hope that we get to see each other very soon again. So you guys take care.